Hey apartment dwellers, got a clogged shower drain but your landlord is slow to fix stuff? Just because you rent doesn't mean you can't tend to your own basic home maintenance. Here are 5 DIYs for you to try. Start with the obvious. Clear hair or other evident obstructions from the drain screen. Then remove the drain cover and clear out the surface of the drain. Bring things to a boil. If you're certain your building has metal pipes that can take the heat, try dumping a pot of boiling water down the drain to melt away the obstruction. Get fizzy with it. Pour baking soda into your drain and wash it down with vinegar. The fizzing reaction is only mildly helpful in clearing clogs, but the ASMR effect is fire.
Vinegar.
Take the plunge. Grab a plunger, make sure the rim is moist to get a good seal, and start pumping to dislodge that drain dam. Pull out all the stops. Grab some needle nose pliers or some other slender grabby implement and pull out the drain clogging culprit manually. You never know what you're gonna find. Remember to check your lease agreement before attempting any DIY activities in your apartment. But hey, if your landlord didn't want you to do it for yourself, maybe they should have responded to your maintenance request quicker. And if you learned something there, please like and share.